In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the paragraph text option in Google Forms. Google Forms is a powerful tool that allows you to create surveys and quizzes with ease. Whether you're conducting simple surveys or organizing complex projects, Google Forms can help you gather and analyze data efficiently. Now, let's dive right into the process of adding a paragraph text option to your form, which is perfect for collecting more detailed responses from your participants. First, we need to access Google Forms. Open up your preferred web browser and navigate to Google Forms, either by typing Google Forms into the search bar or directly entering the URL into the address field. Once you're logged in, you'll see options to start a new form or open an existing one. For this demonstration, we'll be starting with a new form. Next, let's give our form a title. Click on the header area at the top of the form and enter a title that describes the content or purpose of your survey. For this example, we'll use Sample Test. This title will give your respondents a clear understanding of what the form is about. Now it's time to add your questions. Click on the question field, which is where you'll type in the question you want your respondents to answer. Let's say you want to ask for an explanation on a particular topic. Type out your question in the provided space, making sure it's clear and concise, which will improve the quality of responses you receive. Once you've entered your question, look for the option labeled Multiple Choice next to the question field. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu where you can choose different types of responses. From this menu, select Paragraph to allow respondents to enter multi-sentence answers. This is especially useful if you're expecting detailed opinions or insights from participants, as it gives them space to elaborate. To ensure the question is answered by all respondents, you can make this field mandatory. Look for the Required option, usually indicated by a sliding button or checkbox at the bottom of the question area. Toggle this option on, ensuring that respondents cannot submit the form without providing an answer to this question. Before finalizing your form, it's always a good practice to preview how it looks. Locate the eye icon at the top right corner of your Google Forms screen and click on it. This will open a new window showing exactly how your form will appear to respondents. Take a moment to review everything and, if needed, go back and make any necessary adjustments. Finally, go ahead and test it yourself. Fill out the form using your preview window to ensure everything is working as expected. This step is crucial to verify that the paragraph text option is correctly set up and the form functions smoothly. And that's it. You've now successfully added a paragraph text option to your Google form, allowing for more comprehensive responses. This feature can greatly enhance the quality of information you gather from your survey and ensure you're capturing valuable insights from your audience.